Hey guys, Mike Helms here. I'm the firearms historian, and we're talking about Smith Wesson Model 1s today. I've got a lot of Model 1s laid out here, but I want to talk about one in particular. This is arguably one of the most important Model 1s in existence, and the reason is it is serial number 5. This is actually the earliest Smith & Wesson revolver in existence known to anyone right now. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, well, Mike, serial number 5, what about serial number 1, 2, 3, and 4? And you'd be right to ask about that. Those serial numbers did indeed exist at one point. We know that from the Smith & Wesson factory records. The problem is we have no idea where those guns went. We don't know if they were destroyed or lost, or if they're still sitting in somebody's kitchen drawer somewhere. Number 5 is the earliest Smith & Wesson revolver known to collectors. So this makes it the oldest right now. And if somebody has 1 through 4 out there, I'd love to hear from you. Serial number 5 is actually a really important gun because we think this was actually a tool room sample that was used to make tooling to make other Model 1s. This gun was made late in 1857. It's actually the only surviving Smith & Wesson revolver from 1857. All of the other survivors are at least from 1858 or onwards. And we think that this gun was actually given or sold to a company called the American Machine Works, which was a machine and tool and die company in Springfield that we believe was contracted to make tooling to manufacture the Model 1s. They had only made 5 guns at this point, so each gun was still handmade. This gun was probably handmade by Horace Smith and Daniel Wesson themselves. And then the tooling that was made based on this gun would have been used to make all the other Model 1s. So this is a really, really important Smith & Wesson. Like I say, it's the earliest example, and I'm thrilled to be able to show it to you. Stay with me tomorrow, and I'll be talking about some other rare Smith & Wesson Model 1s.